welcome to another maths lesson. We are going to start with our daily 10. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Here we go. Make sure you've got a piece of paper and a pen ready, or a whiteboard and pen, whatever you've got to write on and write with. We're going to be doing addition again, up to 25. So there are some tricky ones in here, okay? Are we ready? Good boy. Off we go. Okay, everybody finish the number that you're writing and put your pens or pencils down. Let's go through the answers. So we'll have some hands up. Let's have a look. We've got 15 add 2 for question 1. 15 add 2. What did we get? What? Oh, I can't see any hands up yet. Let's scroll up. Oh, Rudy waving at me. Rudy.
17.
Superstar, thank you, Rudy. It is indeed 17. We know that 5 add 2 equals 7, and then we can add on our extra 10 there for 17. Good boy, Rudy. Question 2. We had 17 add 5. Saina. Tricky one, this one.
22.
Good girl. Well done, Saina. It's going beyond 20, so it was a tricky one. Good girl. Well done if you got that as well, guys.
21.
Okay, question 3. We had 14 add 7. Again, another tricky question to do. Any other hands up? Let's have a look. I bet I can guarantee Eva's. I knew it. I knew it, Eva. Good girl. Knew Eva's hand.
21.
21. It is indeed 21. Good girl. Thank you, Eva. We could use our number bonds knowledge there to help us a little bit, because we know that 7 add what equals 10? 7 add what, Rebecca? 7 add 3. Okay, but we've got 4 here, so it's going to be 1 more. So instead of 20, it's going to be 21. Well done. Question 4. Let's have a look. We've got 17 add 4. 17 add 4. Jilson, did you get this one? Oh, hang on. Oh, what am I doing? That was that question that we've just done. Was it? No, it wasn't. I've just given the answer. That very much confused Mrs. Trevis. I'm so sorry. We had, so question 3 was 14 add 7, which was 21. And question 4 was 17 add 4, which is also 21. Sorry, guys, I've given you the answer to that one because my brain had a bit of a panic. Okay, 13 add 5. 13 add 5. What did we get? I'm seeing some of the same hands up again. Let's see if anybody else wants to answer a question. 13 add 5. Charlie.
13 5. No.
14.
18.
Good boy, Charlie. 13 add 5 does equal 18. Well done. Question 6. We had 18 add 6. Tricky one. Jalibia.
24.
It is 24. Good girl. Well done. Well done. Question 7. 12 add 7. Question 7 was 12 add 7. Any other hands up? Jilson, is your hand up? I can see you got the hand up emoji. Do you know what 12 and 7 is, Jilson? No, shaking his head, doesn't want to answer. Oh, Jilson. Go on then, Eva.
19.
It is 19. Superstar, well done.
24. Boom, 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 bam. Turn around.
Right, question 8, 11 add 4. Saina.
15.
It is indeed 15. Good girl, Saina. Well done. Thank you very much. 12 add 5. Question 9. 12 add 5. Any hands up? Anybody wants to answer? Will.
17.
Good boy. Well done, Will. It is indeed 17. Well done if you got that one as well. Okay, and our final question. I just need to move you out of the way, everybody, otherwise we can't get to it. Here we go. Question 10. We had 16 add 7. So we ended on a really tricky one. 16 add 7. What did we get for this tricky question? Charlie.
23.
Good boy, Charlie. Well done. It is indeed 23. Fantastic. Well done if you got those two. Give yourself a mark. And then rub your whiteboards clean for me. 10, 9, 8. Well done. 7. Super duper. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. And spoons and bowls. As the front. Can I get a thumbs up, guys, at home that you can see today's date and hello and on the presentation, please? Thank you, Sky. Thumbs up from Sky. She can see it. Well done, Sky, for listening. Thank you very much. Excellent. Okay, so today we're going to be representing numbers to 50. So again, we've been using place value all week, and we're going to be needing to do the same thing again. When I talk about place value, that means our columns that we use. Who can remind me, what columns do we use for our numbers? What invisible columns do we use? See if you can tell an adult at home. There are 2 of them at the moment that we use. What are they? Whisper it to a partner. Nicole? What are they? And who can tell me? Put their hand up and tell me, Connie.
10s and 1s.
Good girl. We're dealing with 10s and 1s, aren't we? Because we're looking at numbers up to 50. Fantastic. So have a look at the table that is on the board in front of you, because you're going to have to fill in some missing gaps for me, okay? So in our first column here that we looked down, we need to put the actual number. So who can tell me what is my first number? What number is shown there? Jake? 14 with a good boy on the end. It's not 40 because that would be with a 0 on the end. That would be a 4 and a 0. Good boy, Jake, for saying your teen correctly. 14. And In our next column, we've got our tens and ones. So we need to say how many tens and how many ones are in our number there. In our third column, we've got our 10 frame. Fourth column is sticks, and fifth column is words. So actually writing out the words for those numbers. So the first one that we need to find the answer to is how many tens and how many ones are in the number 14. Who can tell me how many tens, first of all, are in my number? Done.
1, 10.
Good boy, I've got 1, 10. There it is. There's my 1, 10. So who can tell me then how many ones are in my number 14? Roman?
4.
Good boy, I've got 4 ones. Well done if you got that at home as well. Fantastic. Number 14 has 1, 10 and 4 ones. Okay, we need to work out what number our second row is talking about. And it tells us it's got how many tens, Hugo?
2.
It's got 2 tens. And how many ones has it got, Cole?
5.
5 ones. So it's got 2 tens and 5 ones. Well, you just need to write that out with the numbers in the right places. So it's got how many tens?
2.
How many ones?
5.
Excellent. So it's got 2 tens and 5 ones, hasn't it? Okay, is that right?
No.
No. Why is that not right? Why have I not done that right? Why not, Rebecca?
Your tens and ones are the wrong way round.
Good girl. We must always remember. Get your words out, Mr. Travis. Remember the way round our columns go. Otherwise, we will not put in the right numbers. Our tens always comes first, and our ones next to it, and it has 2 tens and 5 ones. So what is my number? Tell me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
25.
Excellent. Right, now we haven't been told how many tens and ones, and we haven't been told the number. So we need to use the 10 frames or the straws to help us work out, or the words, read the words. So how many tens has my number got? Looking at my 10 frames, how many tens? There's 1. Wait there. There's 1 10. There's 2 tens. So we've got 2 tens. Is this one a 10 as well?
No.
It's not, is it? That one's not a 10. So I know I've got 2 tens in this number. How many ones has it got? Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. There we go. 2 tens, 9 ones. And I need to write that out as well. 2 tens, 9 ones. Excellent. And it is the number 29. And I could count the straws and read the word to check that my answer is correct. Okay, because we never know. There might be a mistake. We all make mistakes, so we must check our answers. Happy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at our next one. Ooh. Okay, so we've got another table to have a look, but we've got some of the answers around the edge, so we need to work out what needs to go where. So what's our first number that we're working with? Ooh. No. What's our first number that we're working with? What is that number? Tell me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
15.
Excellent. How many tens does my number have? Tell me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
1.
How many ones? 1, 2, 3.
5.
Excellent. 1 10, 5 ones. Fantastic. So I need to make sure that I've got my 10 frame in. Well, there's only 1 10 frame there, isn't there, that needs to go into the right place. You could draw a line to it, but this one takes it to it. If technology wants to work, there we go. Okay, and then I need to write the word, okay? So we're looking for written words. Which one says 15? See if you can spot it. See if you can tell an adult at home as well which one around the edge says the word 15. We could even use our phonics. Have you found it, Cole? That's it. Well done. It's in the bottom corner. It is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Well done. Okay, and our second number is 28. We need to put the tens and ones in. How many tens does 28 have in? Tell me on 3. 1, 2, 3. It has 2 tens. And how many ones? Tell me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
8.
Excellent. So that's these words down here. 2 tens and 8 ones. And that means those straws. Oh, those straws must be 28. Those sticks must be 28 as well, which is absolutely spot on because we've got, let's just double check. We've got 1 10 there. There's our second 10. So we've got 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sticks there, so 28. Well done. Come on. I don't think we need to go through another one of those ones. Right, have a look here. I need to move this bar out of the way. Which representations, so which of these cards with either words or 10 frames or sticks on, which ones show the number 47? Well, let's have a look at our first word here. Who can tell me what number is written down in my first box? See if you can tell somebody at home, see if you can read it. We're after the number 47. 45. Oh my goodness me, technology is not on my side today. Who can put their hand up and tell me what number is written in that first card? Caleb. 45. It's 45, isn't it? Is that 47? No, absolutely not. That's not how we write 47. So that one is incorrect. Okay, what number is shown in my second card? Tell me on 3, shout it out at home. 1, 2, 3. 43. Excellent, it's got 4 10s and 3 1s. Well, is that 47? No. Absolutely not. Right, let's count our 10s frames. How many 10s do we have? Let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 10s, which is how many? Let's do our 10 times tables. 10, 20, 30, 40. We've got 40. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 43 in this 10s frame. Is that the same as 47? Absolutely not. No way. Shh, let's count the sticks. How many 10s have we got? Well, we've got 1 group there. We've got 2 there. Here's our 3rd one. And our 4th one. So we've got, count in your 10s for me, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. There we go. Have we got one there for 47? Yes. Absolutely. So this card does show us 47. Excellent. Let's have a look at this 10s frame. How many 10s have we got? We've got 1, 2, oh, come on, wake up, 3, 4. So we've got 4 10s, which we know is 40. We've just done our 10 times over for it. So we've got 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, that one doesn't show 47, does it? No. Oh, so finally, we've got our word here. See if you can read it. And let's have a thumbs up or thumbs down. Do you think it says 47? Thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Does it show 47? What do we think at home? Sky thinks it says 47. Monty thinks it shows 47. Eva does. Saina's got a thumbs up emoji there. Excellent. Rudy does. He's nodding along. Rudy looks like he's about to jump off his seat. Excellent. It does indeed say 47. Well done. We've got E. We've got the Y making the E sound at the end there. 7, 47. Well done. Let's clear those. Okay. Right. We'll do our last slide. So the part hole diagram shows the number 32. True or false? Explain how you know. Well, let's have a look. Is the number at the top there that I'm about to circle? Does that show 32 there? Yeah. So that part's correct, isn't it? But let's have a look at the 10s and 1s. How many 10s are shown there? Tell me. Tell me on 3, 1, 2, 3. 2. There are 2 10s there, aren't there? There are 2 10s and how many 1s? Tell me on 3, 1, 2, 3. 2. Tell me on 3, 1, 2, 3. 2. There are 2 1s there, aren't there? So we've got 2 10s and 2 ones are shown. So does that show 32? No, what number does that show? It shows 22, doesn't it, Roman? Good point. Make sure we don't shout out. How could we correct this to show 32? What could we do, Dan?
You need to put 3 10s and then 2 1s.
Good boy. Well, we've already got our 2 1s, haven't we? But we could. What they needed to do was add another 10 in there to show 32. There's my very brilliantly drawn 10 there. Excellent. So let's see. Right, so it absolutely is false. The part-hole diagram total shows 32, which was right. However, on the part, one of the parts has 2 10s when it should have 3, which is what we said, didn't we? So well done, guys. Very well answered. So our worksheets today are on our website, which we're going to be getting on with in class this afternoon, so you can do the same at home. But other than that, thank you very much for joining us for maths. If there's anything you need, anything I can help with, just message me on Dojo. But from this end, we're going to say goodbye. Goodbye. And we'll see some of you in story time. Thank you for the love heart, Eva. We will see you.